Hi guys, what's up? Welcome again to Desi Bites, and the recipe for the day is Chilli Paneer. Oil in the pan. Then we are going to add paneer to it. So just brown the paneer a little bit and then set it aside. Once the paneer is slightly, as you can see, it's been browned from both sides, then we'll just take it off the flame and put it aside in a plate. Then what we're going to do is again put some oil in a pan and we're going to add 2 chilies to it. To this we're going to add diced onion. Once the onions turn slightly pink is when we will add chopped garlic. Just add diced capsicum, red and yellow, to the pan. We will now add some soy sauce, some vinegar, some more soy, toss all this around. I'm going to add a little bit of chilli sauce. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup for some sweetness. Some chilli flakes. Essential ingredient, some cornflour to make this into a thick sauce. That I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now we've done everything except for adding a little bit of salt. And now my final ingredient, which is the paneer itself. As you can see, this is not a lot of gravy, but it's just enough to coat the paneer so it becomes a nice starter. And this is actually the right consistency for your chili paneer or your chili chicken. It's in a semi-dry state and that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, and done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This recipe was really simple and I know you're going to try it. So don't forget to comment in the comment section below when you have. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Take care, y'all. Have a killer day.